Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this makeup look right here. This look was super easy and super quick to create. So for this look, all I did was create a nice golden halo eye, and I also included a golden halo lip. So guys, if you all enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you all want to see how I create this look right here, then let's get into it. Okay, so the first product that I'll be going in is with some facial oil from Avon to just moisturize and prime my face. Alright, now that I'm nice and primed, I'm going to go in with some color corrector, and the color corrector that I'll be using is the LA Pro Conceal color corrector in the shade orange. Blending all of that with a damp beauty blender. Okay, so now moving on to foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade 310, that is Sun Beige. I'm going to be applying the foundation with a kabuki brush. Now going back in with this damp beauty blender and taking off all the excess product. Alright, now for concealer, I'll be using these two concealers right here. I'll be mixing them together. So the first concealer I'll be going in is with the LA Pro Conceal concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And the second concealer that I'll be using for highlighting is the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Honey. Now I'm going to blend it with a damp beauty blender. Now to contour my face, all I'm going to do is take some darker concealer and place it on my contour lines. And now to set my concealer, I'm going to use some translucent powder from Blue Heaven. Alright, now I'm going to set my contour with these two products right here. The first product that I'll be using is the Eyetex Dazller Classic Compact Powder in the shade Contour. And the other one is the Purplle Once in a Lifetime Compact in the shade That Special Beige Relationship 2. And now for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Miss Claire blusher in the shade 04. It's a nice orange blush. And now I'm gonna highlight my face with this champagne brick highlighter. Alright, now that my base is done, I'll just do my eyebrows and be right back. Okay, now that we're done with the entire base, let's move on to the eyes. Okay, I'm slightly gonna place a little bit of translucent powder on my under eyes to catch any fallout. Alright, so now for my transition shade, I'm gonna go in with this color from Miss Claire and I'm gonna place it on my crease. Since we're going for a halo eye, I'm going to take it all the way into my inner corners as well. And now to deepen up the crease, I'm going to go in with this shade right here and place it on my crease as well. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in this shade right here and deepen it up even more. Going back with the blending brush and blending all of them in. Alright, and now going in with this golden shade right here and placing it exactly on the eyelid. Going in with my fingers. Alright, so now to give the eyelid some more pop of color, I'm going to go in with some gold glitter. So now I'm going to go in with the K-Beauty Kajal and just tightline my lashes. This is so that my lashes look much more fuller. Okay, so now moving on to my lashes. First, I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm going to apply some Maybelline Colossal mascara to them. Okay, so now I'm going to dust off the bake. Okay, so now moving on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in back with this brown color from Miss Claire, taking it on a tiny brush. Going back with this shade once again. Once again, going into the darker shade. And once again, I'm going to go in with this shade and place it on my inner corners. Also going to apply some mascara to the lower lash line. Alright, so now to finish off the eye look, I'll just place some false eyelashes and be right back. Alright, now that our eyes are done, let's move on to the lips. Okay, so to moisturize my lips, I'm going to go back in with that Avon facial oil. Alright, so I'm going to go in now with a maroon lip liner and line my lips. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a dark brown lip liner and fill in my lips. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with a maroon shade lipstick and put it all over my lips. Okay, so now again to create a glitter lip, I'm gonna go in with this golden shade right here and place it on the center of my lips. And this is the finished look. As you can see, this look is very pretty. It's very golden and it's very sparkly. So yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this look. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.